welcome again to my channel. So today I tried the Covergirl products. I used their foundation. This is what it's on my face right now, and their contour palette and the face powder. And I really like the foundation. It's very light and it feels like I'm not wearing any foundation at all. It's not a full coverage foundation, but you can actually build up the product if you want to cover some of the blemishes and some of your acne scars. I got a lot of acne scars right here and it actually covers a little bit. And I also tried their TruBlend contour palette. The thing that I really like in this palette is the highlighter, because look at that, it just look like my skin that's very healthy. So I end up creating this look and it's very simple. You can wear this every day if you want. So yeah, if you want to learn how I created this look, please continue watching. Hit that like button if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel and hit that notification bell if you want to be notified every time I upload new videos. And I'll see you next time. So my eyebrows are done and I use my concealer to prime my eyelids. So I'm taking this peachy color and I'm just gonna press it all over my crease. I'm not blending it yet, I'm just pressing the peachy color. So I'm taking more of that peachy eyeshadow to build up the color on my eyelids. So I'm just blending it and blending it until it looks soft. So now I'm taking this burgundy color and I'm gonna apply it on my lid. For our third and last eyeshadow, I'm taking that rose gold shimmer and put it in the middle of my eyelid just to kind of lighten it up and give the eyelid a little pop. So I'm taking my Cosmetics liquid eyeliner and I'm making a winged liner, just a little bit, not too intense, to define my eyelid a little bit. And I put my lashes off cam. So let's go to our face. So I'm taking this Haley primer foundation and I like this primer because it has a little bit of color and I sneezed. Bless me. So I'm just applying that primer all over my face, and I like this primer because it also kind of blurs out my pores. So I decided to add this Korean IPKN primer. I love this primer because it really smells good, and if you wanted to make your face look glowy, this primer is really good. And I'm applying it in the parts of my face where I want to highlight. So now I'm taking my Covergirl True Matte Made foundation, and I love this foundation because it looks very natural on your skin and it really matches on my skin tone. So I don't have to get another shade and to kind of like mix it up, because this one shade right here is really perfect on my skin. And I'm just adding more products on the parts of my face where I have acne scars and blemishes, because even if this foundation is not full coverage, but it actually covers all the imperfections of your skin. So let's move on to our concealer. So I'm using my liquid concealer from, I think it's from Covergirl, but I'm not that sure because I lost the label, and I do really like it, and it shows that I'm almost run out with that concealer. So I'm applying my concealer on the parts of my face where I want to brighten up and want to bring forward. So I'm using my beauty blender to blend out my concealer, and I'll just keep blending it until it is well blended. So after blending all that foundation and concealer, So you need to use a powder. So I'm using my Covergirl pressed powder to lock in the products so that they'll stay longer. So now I'm going to try this Covergirl TruBlend contour palette. So I'm gonna use that contour cream. So I'm contouring my cheekbones because I have a round face, so that will look my face a little slimmer. So now I'm taking my bronzer, which is part of the palette, and I'm applying it on my forehead, on my temples, on my jawline, and on the hollows of my cheeks. And I'm taking back that contour cream to contour my nose, just to make my nose look a little slimmer. So now I'm gonna use the highlighter to highlight my cheekbone. I'm actually applying it on the highest points of my cheeks, and I also apply that on my temples where actually the lights hits on the parts of your face, and also my nose. So now I'm gonna take one of my favorite blushes, which is from Seraphine Botanicals. It is actually a rose gold blush, and it really smells amazing. And that blush has kind of like a gold shimmer that actually add radiance to your skin. Look at that. So I'm taking my cream eyeliner from Rimmel, and I'm just gonna apply it on my waterline just to make my eyes more awake and not look tired. So now I'm taking my Longwear matte lip gloss from Beauty Creations, and it's in the shade of Sweetheart. And I think the shade is too much for me, so I want to tone it down a little bit. So I'm taking that Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer in the shade of Unreal. And to finish my look, I'm gonna apply my mascara from Doucce. So I'm just gonna apply it on my lower lashes and my upper lashes. I'm applying it on the upper lashes to blend with the falsies. So that's it, you guys, and I hope you really like this look. So bye for now. Mwah. God bless. Thank you for watching.